I'm Helen from Woolly Chic. Now Easter is just round the corner and it's starting to feel really spring-like here in Hertfordshire. Many of you are probably thinking about making things for Easter and giving gifts to friends and family. So I thought I would tell you about some of my Woolly Chic kits that make ideal gifts. So let me first show you my lovely, cute Easter bunny knitting kit. These are really easy to make. They're just knitted in garter stitch, knitted flat, and then the seam is sewn up. And they're just really cute. So let me show you what's in the kit. I'll pop you down here. Just stay there, bunnies. And so the kit comes in a really lovely cotton bag, and you get the pattern, of course, and toy stuffing. Then importantly, the really lovely 4-ply British wool, and also some contrasting 4-ply British wool with for the waistcoat, and some for the nose and for the features. So that's what's included in the kit. You will need your own knitting needles because you need to knit these rabbits on with quite a tight tension. So between a 3mm and a 3.5mm knitting needle. But that is that's what's included in my bunny rabbit knitting kit. So I've also got a gorgeous crochet kit to make these little hand puppets, an Easter bunny and a spring lamb or a sheep, and they're designed to pop over a chocolate egg and be given at Easter. But then the nice thing is that they can then be played with all year round. Now they're designed for little hands, and hopefully will give some hours of fun. So let me show you what's in this kit. So it comes in a lovely cotton project bag, and inside, similar to the knitting kit, you have the pattern. Then you've got 2 balls of wool. Let me show you this. Really soft and lovely British wool, pink and white. Then you've got a little bit of dark pink for the rabbit's nose, and also some black for the sheep's face. So there's enough wool, there's enough white wool to then also do the pom-pom on the rabbit's bottom. That all comes in this cotton bag. I'll put it all back in again. So if you fancy giving these 2 projects a go, these kits are available on my website, which is www.woollychicdesigns.co.uk. And if you've liked this video and you'd like to see more product reviews and also crochet tutorials, then please subscribe and hit the like button, and then there'll be plenty more to come. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. Happy Easter!